Why does your scanner show the P0826 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0826 engine fault code stands for the up and down shift switch circuit. The P0826 indicates a problem in the upshift or downshift switch circuit, which could prevent the proper operation of the transmission. The switch is responsible for sending signals to the vehicle's transmission control module, TCM, to select the appropriate gear. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty switch, wiring problems, connector issues, defective TCM, circuit fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. It is commonly found in Audi, Subaru, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Mazda, Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Honda vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.